YouTube, I am NisiW. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little small haul video. I don't know where I have been for the past few months or so, but I am just recently finding out about a company called the Crayon Case, which is a black owned company, by the way. And this Box of Crayons palette that I have been like recently binging on videos on, so I decided to pick it up, and I picked up a couple of other things from the Crayon Case as well that I wanted to share with you. But this is the huge Box of Crayons palette. If you look on the back, you have their logo and their website, so if you want to purchase, you can go to thecrayoncase.com. This palette, this huge palette, is $30. You have 63 grams or 2.2 ounces of product in this palette. There are 18 large eyeshadows. They remind me of the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes with the larger, sorry about the glare from my ring light, but this is what these shades look like. I am going to put this to the side real quick. I am not going to do any swatches. If you want to see swatches, I can do another video dedicated to this palette and break down everything for you. The next thing that I picked up is also another palette, and it is called the Watch Me Blush palette. It has that sleeve, and then this is what the actual palette looks like. And these are the shades, and these to me are not like, some of them are, but for the most part these are not like traditional blush shades to me. These are like eyeshadows, and I know a lot of people who purchase the palette are using them for eyeshadows, so that's probably what I'm going to do. I may try to use these two for like contours. This one here, the cranberry, used lightly, might be a good blush, and then the tangerine might be a good blush as well, but I think for the most part I'm going to use this as a blush palette. This palette was $18, and it has 35 grams of product or 1.23 ounces. That is a great amount of product for the price. The last thing I picked up I thought was so cute, I could not leave it here, and it is the brush pencils, and you get 7 brushes in here. It came with a little plastic inside of the package, but I threw that out. So these are what the brushes look like. They are cute. They remind me of like number 2 pencils when you were in school, but they are eyeshadow brushes, and they come in, sorry, they come in a variety of different shapes and sizes, all which are perfect for doing your eyeshadow. And I think that these are going to be my main eyeshadow brushes. I see like the small detail shadow brush. This one is going to be great for like the inner corner. This one is going to be great also for like getting under the eye for me. I think you have like a small, I always want like a small crease brush and can't find it. You have this crease brush, and then you have one that is a little smaller, which I appreciate. This 7-piece brush set was $18 as well. As far as shipping, it took maybe a little bit over a week for me to get my products, and they do, if you order from them, they sort of, I did it where they could send me text messages, so you kind of know along the way where your package is, which I thought was a really good idea. All of my stuff came to me, as you can see, unbroken. None of the shadows were shattered at all. They do have a nude palette that is like $20, and it looks like a nude palette or something that I am interested in picking up. Let me see if I can find the name of it for you. I'm on my phone, by the way. It is called the New Rule 12 Nudes palette, and once I get that palette, I will also do a video on that one. So far so good. I am liking my product. I actually did my eyeshadow today and attempted to cut crease. I am going to take my glasses off and show you what my shadows look like. These are, and if I remembered, I would have used the Watch Me Blush palette, but these I used the Box of Crayons palette for. I used the tan, I used the brown, and then I used the gold here. for my eyeshadows today. I will take off my glasses and just show you my first ever attempt at a cut crease. Do not come for me. This is my first attempt. I thought I did pretty good myself for this being my first time trying to do it. But yes, you all, that is my little haul from the Crayon Case, and I'm excited to like jump in and start using these things. These are actually going to be going into my makeup basket for the week. So that is it, you all. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. If you really liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification button so that you know when I have any new videos coming out. Thank you once again for watching. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.